concrete floor. We sing of love, we chanted more and more. No matter color, creed, or face you wear, one love forever, we all share the air. One love forever, that's the only way. Lighting up the darkness every single day. One heart together, beating through the storm. We are Jah people, and love is the norm. I see a youth man crying in the street. No shoes on his feet, no bread to eat. But we got power in the songs we sing, to rise him up and give his soul a wing. Fire burn the hate, let the love ignite. Shine like a torch in the deepest night. The system cold, but our spirit warm. In the arms of unity, we ride the storm. One love forever, chanted loud and true. From Kingston town to Timbuktu. One love forever, let it light your way. In every word you speak and every prayer you pray. Mama, teach the child to stand up strong, with a rebel heart and a Rasta song, and the lion roar inside every man. When we walk with love, hand in hand. One love forever. One love forever. Lift up your voice and sing together. One love, one light, one heart forever.
I closed my eyes and heard the sound of drums from hills where no chains are found. A rhythm slow and bass so wide, it carried our soul to Zion's side. On the dub side of Zion, where the spirit flow, mystic vibrations, roots we know. On the dub side of Zion, no need to run. The healing comes slow, like the morning sun. I walk through fire, I walk through doubt, but dub reveal what life's about. A holy echo in the canyon deep, where the prophets chant and the angels weep. The bass line is a heartbeat, steady and wise. The keys float like stars in Rasta skies. Every echo is a memory, every drop is grace. And Zion's not far, it's a soul place. On the dub side of Zion, I lay down fear. Let the rhythm cleanse what I hold near. On the dub side of Zion, I feel Jah call. In every echo I rise, never fall. silence teach more than 1,000 tongues. Dub reveal truth when words come undone. And I give thanks with every breath that music live beyond life and death. Dubside, Zion rise. Dubside, open eyes. Dubside, never die. Zion dub, we mystify.
Barefoot on the stone, but I still move sweet. Drum in my chest and fire in my feet. We used to cry, now we chant and dance. This is what freedom give I a second chance. Freedom skank, right through the fire. Step for justice, step for higher. Freedom skank, never turn back. We mash down walls with the Rootsman track. They told me to bow, but I rose with pride. They building fences, but we step outside. With every beat, the people unite. 1,000 feet stomping Babylon's might. Who we be free. What we do, skank for truth. Where we go, forward still. How we fight, with roots and skill. Freedom skank, on the front line now. Sweat like prayer on the warrior's brow. Freedom skank, with a lion grin. Riddim like thunder from deep within. In every ghetto, every land and sea, this rhythm carry the sound of free. So rise up, youths, let your feet talk loud. You dance a protest, proud and unbowed. Freedom skank, we forward march. No retreat, no false path. Freedom skank, in drum and song. We've been fighting all along. Freedom skank, we forward march. No retreat, no false path. In drum and song, we've been fighting all along.
Natty walk slow but in vision clear. Him see Babylon falling year by year. Crown on him head, not made of gold, but wisdom deep and spirit bold. Natty's anthem, chanted loud. Stand firm, don't follow crowd. Roots and culture, truth we keep. Lion of Zion, never sleep. He don't beg land is owned. In soil of faith, the seeds are sown. Speaking proverbs, moving grace. Light of just shine on Natty's face. This for the elder with the long gray locks. For the youth in the street with rhythm that knocks. For the queen with the crown wrapped high. For the rebel who chant when the system lie. Natty's anthem from hill to sea. Rasta voice in harmony. Fire for falsehood, truth we burn. Natty rise and never turn. Wati's anthem from hill to sea. Rasta voice in harmony. Fire for falsehood, truth we burn. Natty rise and never turn. He walked through war, he sing through rain. Still skank with joy, still feel no chain. This chant a shield, this song a spear. When Natty chant, the world must hear. Natty rise, rootsman strong. Natty chant all day long. Natty live, dread and free. Natty voice is prophecy. Natty rise, rootsman strong. Natty chant all day long. Natty live, dread and free. Natty voice is prophecy.
You can hear it in the silence, feel it in the drum. A beat that don't lie, it make your whole soul hum. It's more than sound, more than art. This is the rhythm of the heart. Rhythm of the heart, it never fades. Play through joy, play through shade. Rhythm of the heart, so pure, so true. Beating steady in me and you. Lover's touch, a mother's song. Elders teach where we belong. No need for words when rhythm plays. Say what tongue can't ever say. Close your eyes and let it guide. From lonely streets to jazz inside. It don't need stage, it don't need fame. It just need truth and your real name. Rhythm of the heart, feel it deep. In every stone, in every leaf. Rhythm of the heart, soft and strong. And know the way it leads you on. Sometimes the world feel cold and rough, and even rootsmen feel like enough. But when the beat return again, I know I'm whole, I know I'm friend. Rhythm of the heart, we move apart. From the start, we move as one till the beating's done. Ooh.
no ships did steal your sons away. Your heart beats strong to this day. Africa, rise again. Lift up your flame. Your spirit's all they can contain. Africa, rise again. Roots so wide, we carry you in every stride. They try to scatter you in chains, but still your glory it remains. In every rhythm, every skin, Africa call out from within. From Cape to Cairo, drumbeat rise. From Addis Hills to Ghana skies, we chant your name, we feel your pain. But now we rise not in vain. Africa, rise again, mighty and true. The lion roar inside of you. Africa, rise again, not just a dream. You are the root of every stream. Your story live in the Rasta soul, in freedom songs and warrior role. No matter where the people roam, Africa is still our home. Africa, rise. Africa, rise. Through the fire. Through the fire. Africa, rise. Africa, rise. Never tire. Never tire. I feel the pull like a mountain breeze, calling our soul with gentle ease. Through the noise and through the fight, Zion call me with sacred light. Zion calling me through cloud and flame. I walk this path in Jah name. Zion calling me, I hear it clear. The sound of home I hold so dear. Every river flowing to that place, every tear falling from a face, every chant, every prayer I send, lead me where the pain must end. No man know the day or time, but I can feel the upward climb with every skank and every song. I'm moving where the righteous belong. Zion calling me from hill to sea, a voice inside that said I'm free. Zion calling me, I'll rise and go where roots run deep and blessings flow. Not in riches, not in fame, but in the truth that still remain. I follow sound, I follow flame. To Zion's gate I call by name. Zion calling me from hill to sea, a voice inside that said I'm free. Zion calling me, I'll rise and go where roots run deep and blessings flow. Not in riches, not in fame, but in the truth that still remain. I follow sound, I follow flame.
truth that still remains. I follow sound, I follow flame. To Zion's gate I call by name.
He don't carry no gun, don't walk with fear, but when he step in the place, the truth appear. No army behind him, no badge or crown, just a heart full of fire and a word so sound. He's a rebel with a smile, never backs down, spreading peace in the city, loving the town, standing for the people with a lion's grace, changing the world, not a wrinkle on his face. They try to mock him, they try to shame, but this youth man rise like a holy flame. He don't need to shout, don't need to fight, just look in his eyes and you'll feel the light. Babylon tremble when he walk past, 'cause truth moves slow, but truth moves fast. With the book in his hand and joy in his voice, he show us love is the rebel's choice. He's a rebel with a smile, heart so pure, fighting injustice with roots that endure. Never need anger, never need style, just one righteous path and that easy smile. So if you see him in the market square, singing freedom songs in the open air, don't walk by, go stand a while, you might just leave with a brighter smile. He's the rebel with a smile, no chains, no hate, just style. Rebel with a smile, oh yeah, oh yeah. They try to mock him, they try to shame, but this youth man rise like a holy flame. He don't need to shout, don't need to fight, just look in his eyes and you'll feel the light. Babylon tremble when he walk past, 'cause truth moves slow, but truth moves fast. With the book in his hand and joy in his voice, he show us love is the rebel's choice. Babylon tremble, Babylon tremble, Babylon tremble when he walk past, 'cause truth moves slow, but truth moves fast. With a book in his hand and joy in his voice, he show us love. He's the rebel with a smile, no chains, no hate, just style. Rebel with a smile, oh yeah. Thunder in his tone, the lion rise up from the marrow and the bone. He don't whisper lies, don't chase gold or fame. He sing the truth and he chant Jah name. This is the lion's song, hear it echo wide. Through every struggle he's still got pride, roaring for the weak, standing for the right, with Rastafire and spiritual might. barefoot on the land. Dust of the prophets still on his hand. Roots so deep no storm can shake. He rise like the sun for Zion's sake. And when the youth them lost in confusion, he guide them back like revelation's fusion. No sword, no war, just wisdom tall, a voice that rise and break the wall. This is the lion's song, it burned like flame, calling every soul by their true name. He chant for justice, he chant for peace, he chant until all the chains release. In the wind, in the drum beat low, the lion don't stop, he just grow and grow. Even when silence try drown the sound, he rise from the roots and shake the ground. Lion roar, Jagai, lion rise, never hide. Lion song, carry on, till Babylon fall and Zion strong. Barefoot on the land, dust of the prophet still on his hand. Roots so deep no storm can shake. He rise like the sun for Zion's sake. And when the youth them lost in confusion, he guide them back like revelation's fusion. No sword, no war, just wisdom tall, a voice that rise and break the wall. This is the lion's song, it burn like flame, calling every soul by their true name. He chant for justice, he chant for peace, he chant until all the chains release. You hear it in the wind, in the drum beat low, the lion don't stop, he just grow and grow. Even when silence try drown the sound, he rise from the roots and shake the ground. Whoa, 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 whoa. You hear it in the wind, in the drum beat. Wake up early with the sun so high, thank Jah for the light and the blue sky. Steam some herbs, play a righteous tune, dance through the street by the rise of the moon. Irie every day, yeah, I walk that way. No worries on me back, no fear to sway. Irie every day in the work or play. Jah bless the life, so I give him praise. Bread, fruit, roasting by the old stone fire. Children laughing, dreams climbing higher. Even when Babylon tried bring me low, I chant a psalm and I let love flow. We don't need riches, we don't need fame, just good vibration and a holy name. In the simplest life, the joy still stay. We living it up in a rootsman way. Irie every day, feel it in me soul. From the city heart to the mountain roll. Irie every day, no matter what they say. We chant down fear and we skank away. Some of them chase vanity and style,
but I prefer peace and a humble smile. Under manga tree where the elders stay, we reason and reason the irie way. I say irie, irie, every day, give thanks, for this way, aye, every day, till the end of time. Wake up early with the sun so high, thank Jah for the light and the bluest sky. Steam some herbs, play a righteous tune, dance through the street by the rise of the moon. Irie every day, every day, every day. Give thanks for this way, irie every day, till the end of time.
Crow in the hillside glow, misty morning where the ganja grow. I see the world through golden light, 9 Mile wake with holy might. Sunrise in 9 Mile, bless this day, where prophets walk and children play. Sunrise in 9 Mile, clear and high. Jah spirit stretch across the sky. Rasta youth with a book in hand, read psalms of peace over sacred land. No sound but wind in the mango tree, and the beat of the drum inside of me. It's not just place, it's living soul, where legacy burn in a morning roll. And every sunrise is a new chance still to walk like a lion on Zion Hill. Sunrise in 9 Mile, hear it call, from the humble shack to the great stone wall. Sunrise in 9 Mile, soft but strong. The roots run deep and the road is long. I give thanks for this breath I take, for every chant and every state. This is where the mission rise, with the fire of hope in Jah eyes. Sunrise in 9 Mile, a morning light. Jah smile, rise again. 1 aisle, 9 Mile. Rasta youth with a book in hand, read psalms of peace over sacred land. No sound but wind in the mango tree, and the beat of the drum inside of me. It's not just place, it's living soul, where legacy burn in a morning roll. And every sunrise is a new chance still to walk like a lion on Zion Hill.
It's not just place, it's living soul, where legacy burn in a morning roll. And every sunrise is a new chance still to walk like a lion on Zion Hill. Oh, 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 oh. I give thanks for this breath I take, for every chant and every stake. This is where the mission rise, with the fire of hope in Jaja eyes. Sunrise in 9 Mile, morning light, just smile. Rise again, one aisle.
Stand tall, don't let no wicked man see you fall. She planted the seeds with her bare 2 hands. Now I chant them truths all across this land. Roots run deep through blood and stone, deeper than the flesh, deeper than bone. Roots run deep through time and pain. We still rise like sugar cane in rain. We come from fire, from drum and flame. We wear the past, but we shape the name. Every dreadlock, every scar I bear is a map of where we rose from despair. So let the wind shake the highest tree. It can't move what you can't see. The deeper the root, the higher we climb. With faith and rhythm, we conquer time. Roots run deep, can't tear us down. Not in jungle, desert or town. Roots run deep in song and prayer. Our ancestors still living in the air. I walk with the spirit of those before, who opened the gates and unlocked the door. Their voices live in the rhythm I keep, 'cause I'm rooted strong and the roots run deep. Roots run deep. Roots run deep. Stand firm like an old fig tree. Roots run deep and they grow through me. We come from fire, from drum and flame. We wear the past, but we shape the name. Every dreadlock, every scar I bear is a map of where we rose from despair. So let the wind shake the highest tree. It can't move what you can't see. The deeper the root, the higher we climb. With faith and rhythm, we conquer time. With faith and rhythm, we conquer time. With faith and rhythm, we conquer time. So let the wind shake the highest tree. It can't move what you can't see. The deeper the root, the higher we climb. With faith and rhythm, we conquer time. The deeper the root, the higher we climb. With faith and rhythm. With faith and rhythm. With faith and rhythm. Oh, we conquer time.
Step in the circle, feel the rhythm rise. Feet start moving, hands reach the skies.
Babylon drum to the elders chant. We skank for the people, not just to dance. Skank for the people, skank for the soul. Move to the rhythm, let the message roll. Skank for the people, rise and be free. We dancing for justice and unity. In every stomp, there's a voice unheard. In every sway, a powerful word. Not just emotion, not just a beat. This is how the people rise to their feet. Sound system loud in the open square. Children and soldiers all skanking there. No separation when the rhythm drop. One heart moving, we don't stop. Skank for the people, lift up the ground. Let Babylon know we still around. Skank for the people, shoulder to shoulder. Every step make the spirit bolder. Skank for the people, for the people. Skank for the right, for the right. Skank every day, every night. Skank till the world unite. To feel this high, just a one-drop beat and an open sky. Revolution wrapped in a joyful sound. Feet don't lie when love is found. Skank for the people, for the people. Skank for the right, for the right. Skank every day, every night. Skank till the world unite. Skank for the people, for the people.
Skank every day, every night. Skank till the world unite. I rise with the sun, wash my face with light. Dreadlocks wrapped in the breath of night. Steam rise from the cup, earth beneath me bare. I give thanks for life and the love still there. Dreadlock morning, peace in the breeze, chanting softly under mango trees. Dreadlock morning, no need to rush. Just I move gentle, never in a hush. Birds sing praises in a sacred tune. Children laugh with the rise of the moon. I burn my herbs with a righteous fire. Let the smoke lift every soul higher. Some wake in anger, some wake in pain, but I choose joy like the morning rain. The struggles still come, but I won't fold. This Rasta walk in the truth untold. Dreadlock morning, still and wise. I see the world through Jah eyes. Dreadlock morning, humble and real. Each breath a blessing I can feel. The day will bring tests, no doubt, no lie, but I hold the rule.
It's the life we know. No rivers here, but the bass still flow. Sirens and vendors clash and sound, but the reggae drums still hold the ground. Concrete jungle jam, this city breathe. Roots still grow beneath the street. Concrete jungle jam, fire and soul. We beat Babylon with a rhythm roll. Youth on the corner singing with pride. He got no riches, but he's full inside. No garden there, just iron and smoke, but he planted a tune with every note he spoke. Ghetto horn echo down the lane. Dub sound bounce off window pane. No silence here, just pulse and flame, and we skank in rain just the same. Concrete jungle jam, rough but sweet. Booming sound, steady beat. Concrete jungle jam, rise and chant. Even in chains we still defiant. Street lamp light. We hustle in the day, we sing in the night. Brick and blood, but still we shine, turning struggle into sacred line. This our jam, our joy, our fight. In the jungle of steel, we still jungle jam, day and night. Roots man rhythm, rebels right. For war, we no born for hate. Yet every day another soul tempt fate. I see the people cry, I see the children fear, but I hear a voice say peace is near. Peace for we from the mountain high. The battle sky. Peace for we, every woman and man. From Africa's soil to the Rio Grande. No more bombs, no more blood in street. Just give we land and food to eat. No more chains in the modern style. We want freedom for walk and smile. Peace not weakness, peace is strength. It take more courage to rise than then. So we turn down evil with steady drum. One world, one kingdom. Peace for we, every ghetto youth. Peace for we, in love and truth. Peace for we, no lie, no spin. Let the healing of Jah begin. Tell the mighty throne, no man can own what Jah alone owns. Give justice, give water, give seed to sow, and watch this whole wide world still grow. Peace for we, now and forever. Peace for we, every tribe together. Peace for we, not just a dream. Peace for we.
let the whole earth sing.
Fence echo with joy and pain. From the yard come rhythm, from the soul come fire, and the people rise, lifting life higher. Soul of Trench Town, still alive today. In every bass line, in every word we say. Soul of Trench Town, where the roots run strong. In the heart of the poor, still singing song. Mama boil rice on the old coal scub. Youth men drum with a broken glove. No gold chain, no silk or pearl, but the richest heart in the poorest world. Ghetto not weakness, ghetto is pride, where dreamers rise and truth can't hide. Marley rise here, but so do we. From the crack of the street to the tamarind tree. Soul of Trench Town, fire never fade. It burn in the rhythm that the people made. Soul of Trench Town, voice of the land, still hold the power of a rebel band. Every corner a school, every step a stage, every elder a book, every youth a page. We dance through the struggle, we chant through pain, we rise from the dirt like sugar cane. Soul of Trench Town, yeah, it live in me. From backyard to the tops of trees. Soul of Trench Town, we free, we true. From 56 Hope Road to Avenue 2. Yeah, from backyard to the tops of trees. Soul of a Trench soul, we free, we true. From 56 Hope Road to Avenue 2.
children lies in school. Rewrite the books to fit their rule. But rootsmen know the ancient code. Truth can't perish on the winding road. We don't need bombs, we don't need guns. We chant the song and the work gets done. With drum and word and holy tone, we break the wall, we shake the throne. Burn Babylon slow, from inside out. Let the people rise, let the righteous shout. Burn Babylon slow, with love and flame. We light the world in Jah name. Fire not anger, fire not hate. Fire is justice, the never too late. When the truth stand tall and the wicked bend, that's when the fire start and the system end. Burn it slow, brick by brick, light by light. Chant till the grip Babylon fall. Jah people rise. Fire for truth, open your eyes. Open your eyes. They teach the children lies in school. Rewrite the books to fit their rule. The rootsmen know the ancient code. Truth can't perish on the winding road. We don't need bombs, we don't need guns. We chant the song and the work gets done. With drum and word and holy tone, we break the wall, we shake the throne. We don't need bombs, we don't need guns. We chant the song and the work gets done. With drum and word.
I light a flame with reverent hand, not just for smoke, but to overstand. This herb a teacher, a healing friend. It bring the mind where troubles end. Herb and harmony, the rootsman way. Meditation in the light of day. Herb and harmony, breath so true. Balance in the soul and the body too. No violence come from what Jah grow. Just visions clear and a peaceful flow. It ease the mind and stir the song. Make I feel like I belong. When the rhythm play and the pipe pass round, I'm on connect to higher ground. Every note and every leaf work together to bring relief. Herb and harmony, music and flame, chanting softly in Jah name. Herb and harmony, spirit and leaf, healing the world through conscious belief. Some demonize, but they don't know.
sacred plant, just help we grow. No man-made pill could ever be what the earth provide naturally. Urban harmony, I rise and see. Urban harmony, God guide me free. Urban harmony, eternally, in roots and rhythm, in unity.
Remember the days we walk in pain, with heavy heart and shackled chain, but Jah whisper strength in our ear, said dry your eyes, I'm near. No chains, no cry, we rise so high. Tears fall once, now wings we fly. No chains, no cry, the storm is gone. We chant redemption in every song. I seen the bars made not of steel, but fear and lies that try conceal. But truth break lock and smash the wall, and teach I how to stand so tall. No man can jail a soul that knows that freedom come where wisdom grows. We blaze the path, we sing and walk. We turn our pain into holy talk. No chains, no cry, I sing for you, the sufferers who made it through. No chains, no cry, lift your head. We walk with the living, not just the dead. So if you hear this song tonight and feel the weight still holding tight, just know you're strong, just know you can break them chains like a Rasta man. No chains.